We gotta feed the cats. Oh, don't make you spill. It's cold outside. It's so cold. It's so windy. So winter. It's not what's on the label. I really need to find the rest of my hoodies. Maybe they're old. This new thing, Wicked for day 6. And it's the smallest one too. Oh my god. Who will she be? So here's all of the Starbucks cup ornaments that I have. I think this is all of them. And because they are now $1 million, I cannot add any more to my collection. So sad times.